Kitchen hack number 7. How to keep your cutting board in place while you're doing stuff, right? Say I've got this cutting board here. Easily slides around on my table. I don't like that. So I have a damp paper towel. I put the paper towel down, I put the cutting board on top. It's not moving. How to cut a mango. This is exclusive content. You're not gonna find this anywhere on YouTube. I had to travel to Mango Land, Central America, to learn how to do this. You're gonna see what the seed looks like in a second. But basically you're gonna cut around the shape of the seed, and you're gonna cut each side of the mango off. So I'm gonna come down here. Right? And I've just cut around the side of the seed. I'm feeling the seed with my blade and I'm just going around it, following the shape of that seed. The seed's in there. It's thin. Now what? How do you get the skin off the mango? Kitchen hack number 15. You put it right up against the edge of a glass. Just any old drinking glass. You get the lip of your glass between the mango and the skin, and then you just separate them. You basically scoop out the mango into your glass. Like that. Yeah? Easy peasy. Boom. Do it again here. Just kind of scooping out the mango. Okay, makes a little bit of a mess, but you're not gonna find a better way to get your mango out. Now that I have these two beautiful halves, I can do whatever I want. I can cube it, come here like this, right? Cut one way, cut the other way. Slices, mango slice. Cube it all up. You know, a lot of people come around, they cut the peel off, and you waste a lot of mango. But if you just come down, follow the shape of the seed, you can just easily scoop it out. Maximum yield. Ta-da!